to another Blepisode! Check this out. Huh? Oh.
Person here to save the day and make all your problems go away. What's your problem?
Oh, it's broken.
That'll do. No need to thank me.
Oh my gosh, like, hashtag worst superhero ever. Oh no, Mr. Blah Blah Blah's dirty.
Hero person here, save the day, problems. Hey, what's your problem?
Mr. Blah Blah Blah's dirty.
Oh, yep. There you go, that'll do. Don't worry about thanking me. Hero person, out.
I wonder if you've ever met anyone with a... Oh, that'll do. That'll do, that'll do, that'll do.
Oh, I'm too scared to jump into the water.
Hero person here. Have you got problems? I'll solve them. What's your problem?
I'm too scared to jump into the water.
Oh, yep. That'll do. No need to thank me. Hero person.
I'm on fire! Help! Help!
Oh, hero person here. I can save the day. Give me a moment. That'll do. Yep.
Someone with a
that'll do attitude.
holds back their push when it comes to the things that they do. You may be thinking, but can everyone be excellent? Really? Every single person in the entire world? Even me? When something needs to be done, it's up to you how well you do it. You can hold back and have a attitude. I know I've done that before. Or you can give it your best shot. We love it when others don't hold back. Not holding back is O-R-S-O-M. Awesome.
Sinistre! Perché papa?
Decorations! Presents!
Bombs!
Fireworks!
Christmas kiss.
The truth is, you know when you've given something your best shot. So next time you have to do something, don't hold back!
That'll do. You can join the Blellification squad. Click subscribe.
Hey, hero person.
Yeah.
Can I stop doing this now?
Yeah, that'll do.
That was fun. This is great. I'm taking for rides anywhere you want.